When unpacking your box, you will notice it contains a delivery note which details the contents of your order. Please check off the items detailed. You will also receive an envelope, items of which are highlighted on the label. This will include USB with software and user manual, system unit test documentation, and a level sensor datasheet. For the purposes of this video, we will assume you have received the level and velocity sensors, the fixed system unit. This could be the Premier unit with 3 configurable 4 to 20 mA outputs, the compact with 1 configurable 4 to 20 mA output, flow transmitter, or a velocity transmitter. You will have also received a comms cable. We have RS-232 or USB. It will also include the mainstream communicator software USB, which additionally contains the user manual and quick start instructions. The comms cables with the different connections can be either a RS-232 or USB connector, depending on the connection required. The level sensor comes with a protective cap to prevent moisture ingress. When the protective cap is removed, there are 2 cables, blue for level sense, red for level source, and a vent tube. Please refer to your quick start manual for the connections to the system unit. The first cable gland port allows for power input of 12 volts and 12 to 28 volts. To connect the velocity sensor, unscrew the second cable gland. Remove the insert from within the cable gland, then carefully remove the grommet from within the insert. You will have 3 distinct elements: cable gland, insert, and grommet. Take the cables of the velocity sensor and feed them through the cable gland. Then feed the cables through the grommet. Now feed the cables through the insert. Finally, feed the cables through the aperture in the fixed cable gland of the system unit. You'll now connect the cables by screwing them into the relevant terminals. Take the black cable and connect to US ground, the red cable and connect to US power. The black screen and connect to US ground. The black core and connect to US V1. The red core to US V2. The red screen to US ground. Once all cables are connected, push the insert back into the cable gland and push the grommet into the insert. Complete this by screwing the cable gland over the insert and grommet to secure. To connect the level sensor, unscrew the third cable gland. Remove the insert from within the cable gland. Again, carefully remove the grommet from within the insert. As before, feed the cables of the level sensor through the cable gland and grommet, and then through the insert. Take the red cable and screw it into the level source. Take the blue cable and screw into level sense. Make sure the vent tube is free from any restriction to airflow. Once all cables are connected, push the insert back into the cable gland. Push the grommet into the insert. Finally, complete this by screwing the cable gland over the insert and grommet to secure. If you have a 4 to 20 mA output device, connect this according to the instructions on the board. Now close the lid of the system unit and screw closed. Your fixed unit is now ready for the software configuration. Please refer to the video on Mainstream Communicators software.